If you're an 8-year-old, you might think farts are hilarious. But for the rest of us, flatulence can be less funny and far more embarrassing, especially if it's on the stinky side. But why do we fart? And why do they sometimes smell so bad? A fart, or flatus to be scientifically correct, is excess intestinal gas escaping from the body. This gas comes from a couple of different places. First, throughout the day, while we're eating and talking, we swallow a lot of air. Second, gas is produced by the microbes that live in our intestines, as they ferment our partially digested food. Unless you want to end up seriously bloated, all this gas needs to come out somewhere. Research tells us that the average person farts about 15 times a day. It's perfectly natural. But why are some farts odourless, while others can quickly clear a room? It mostly comes down to what we eat, and the types of microbes that live in our digestive systems. Scientists have studied the composition of farts and determined that they're mostly made up of odourless gases. A typical non-smelly fart will be made up of things like nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and a bit of methane. Some foods will make us produce more of these gases. For example, food like beans, cabbage, and asparagus contain raffinose, a type of sugar that we can't digest. The bacteria that live in our colon can digest it, however, and when they do, they produce a bunch of gas, including hydrogen and methane. And a lot of gas equals a lot of farts. Really smelly farts happen when some extra gases are added to the mix. The rotten egg smell is a result of bacteria in our gut producing sulfur-containing compounds, like hydrogen sulfide. If you eat foods that contain a lot of sulfur, like broccoli, cabbage, dairy products, or even red meat, then you're more likely to produce more of these gases and have stinkier farts. So if you want less stinky farts, it's worth considering what you eat. Got an everyday science topic you'd like to see drawn badly? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.